Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hi. Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mm, mm.
All right. So let's invite our friends to come online. Let's invite our friends to come online. Let's invite our friends to come online. Yeah. So for those of us joining us today, so we're going to continue from where we stopped in last week's class. So last week we were building a game. Last week we were building a game. So that's what we want to continue today. That's what we want to continue today. All right. So let me share my screen. So I'll show you how to bring back that project. I'm seeing some new faces. All right. If this is your first time joining us, can I see you? Your first time joining us. Anybody? Is there anybody like that here? It's your first time joining us. Let me know. Okay, so I'm just going to mute everybody so we can, yeah. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is to go to code.org, right? And once you've done that, you need to sign in or log in. Yes, so you need to log in. Okay, so for those of us that are here, okay, we're creating a game last week. So in order to access the game we're creating, go to project. If you started creating the game with us last week, you go to project and click on the game. It's called Alien Shootout. So we're working on it last week. So click on the game. All right, if you're not here last week, please let me know. Oh, I was not here last week. Let me know. Is there anybody like that?
I was not there, but the phone off.
I was not here last week.
We're not here last week. All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
So I'm going to show you how we started the project. Okay, so go to code.org. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Go to code.org and then click on create. Click on create.
Let me move it.
Click on create and click on view all projects. Are we following?
Yes.
All right. Click on create. Click on view all projects. You can see it down here. View all projects. View all projects. All right. So now we've been view all projects. Okay. Now you should be seeing this. You should be seeing this right here. Click on view full list. View full list. View full list.
No.
All right, I want to mute everybody because I don't want distractions. Okay. All right, I'll go again. Once you go to code.org and you sign in, all right, one thing you can do is you can click on project here, or I want us to, you can just click on create, view all projects, view all projects, view all projects, then view full list, view full list. So what we want to do is to create a play lab. Play lab. So that's what we're going to click on. Click on play lab. Click on what? Play lab.
Play lab.
So once you click on play lab, you would see this. So everything will be showing like this. Once you click on play lab, you'll be seeing this. So how many of us can see this? Let me know.
I can see it.
All right.
I can
Who else? Who else?
I can see it.
Read. Okay. All right. Abatons. Can you see this?
Yes.
Abaton. Derek, can you see this? Derek, you can unmute yourself. Let me know. Can you see this? So I'm sure everybody is following before I proceed. Abiola. All right. Can you see this? Can you see this? Let me know.
Yes, ma, I can see it.
Okay. Derek, what about you? I think you're the one waiting for. Can you see this? All right. So if you can see this, that's very, very great. Okay. So I'll just open up where we stopped last week, so we'll see what we're trying to create. All right, then I'll start from the beginning to like just show everybody everything. All right, so if I run this game, you'd see that we're creating an alien shootout, right? Where aliens are shooting this robot down here, right? So that was
Yes,
what we're trying to create in last week's class. That's what we're trying to create in last week's class. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay, that's what we're going to continue from now. All right, so I'll show you the steps and what you need to do. I'll show you the steps and all that you need to do. All right, so let's go to our project. So I'm just going to leave this one, but I don't want us to get confused. And I'll start from the new one that I created. I'll start from the new one I created. Okay, so we are here right now, and we can see when run. So if you click on run, right now our game is blank. Nothing is what's happening. Our game is blank. Nothing is there. Nothing is happening.
I cannot hear you. Ma, I cannot hear you.
All right, increase the volume of your tablet. Increase the volume of your tablet or your phone or anything you're using. Jamila, can you hear me?
Yes, ma.
All right. Or go to like a more quiet place, or maybe check your internet connection. It's either one of those three. All right. Let me know if you can hear me now.
I can hear you perfectly.
Okay.
I cannot hear you.
All right. So yes, we have when run. Okay, meaning when I click on run, what should happen? When I click on run, what should happen?
You should run.
Yeah. All right. So yes, we're going to set like different parameters for our game. And the first thing we want to set is a score. We want a score to be showing, right, on our game screen so we can know, okay, how many scores we have. So click on games or score, all right? Game/score, click on that. Game/score. Then you'll see set score to 0. set score 0. So that's what we need first. So just click that and drag it under when run. Click that and drag it under when run. Once you have done that, you can just click on run again, then you will see your score. Can you see my score is displaying here already because I've set score to 0. Now let's continue. Now I want to add players. Okay, I want to add players, want to add different actions that will be happening. So the first thing, click on actions, click on actions, click on actions. So I want to add players, and in this case, they are called actors. So you say set actor, yes. So in this game, we're going to have 4 different characters, 4 different actors. So actor 1, I want my actor 1 to be a zombie. I want my actor 1 to be a zombie. Okay, so set actor 1 to zombie. Set actor 1 to a zombie image. Now I want to set the size. What should the size of our actor be? But before I do that, let me show you how it appears now. If I click on run, you see that this is my zombie. Okay, that's actor 1. Actor 1 is what? A zombie. Now I want to set the size of my actor 1 because it is too big for my game. I want it to be smaller, so I'll set the size. So still on action, I would say still on actions, I'm looking for set actor size. I'm looking for set actor size. So let's look for it. Set actor size. Yes. So this is it. Set actor size. If you scroll down, you see it. Set actor size. So I want to set the actor 1 size. Actor 1 size. I want to set it to 0.5. Set actor 1 size to 0.5. All right. So that's for actor 1. Let's reset and run again. You see that now the size of our actor 1 has reduced because we set it to 0.5.
5.
Yeah. Are we here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Should I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the second thing I want to do is set actor 2. Set actor 2. So drag set actor. Okay. But now instead of 1, we're saying set actor 2. Set actor 2 to an alien. An alien. Set actor 2 to an alien image. Now let's look at what actor 2 is like. Yes, so we have actor 2 there, an alien. Actor 2 is an alien. Right, but the size is too big as usual. So now let's go and set size. Set size, set actor. All right. So now, you know we're dealing with actor 2 now. So set actor 2 size to 0.5. Set actor 2 size to 0.5. Set actor 2 size to 0.5. So I mentioned before we're going to have 4 actors. So I want you to do the same now for your remaining 2 actors. So I want you to bring in a dragon, set actor 3 to a dragon, and then set actor 4 to a space bot. Set actor 3 to a dragon, set actor 4 to a space bot. So I want to see how you're going to do that. If you don't understand it, you just look at me So if you didn't get it already, you can just go ahead and do it yourself. So set after 3. Set after 3 to what? And someone remind me. We're setting after 3 to what?
A dragon.
A dragon. Good. Set after 3 to a dragon. Let's look for dragon. All right. Don't forget, you need to change the size. So set after 3 size to 0.5. And then I said after 4, what did I say after 4 would be? What did I say after 4 would be? And someone remind me. After 4.
A space robot.
Space bot. Great. Space bot. So let's look for space bot. Let's see. Do I have space bot? Yes, I have space bot. Yes, space bot. Space bot. Now I want to set my size after 4 size to 0.5 as well. Yes, so now let's see what it looks like. Yeah, so I have 4 players, 4 characters on my game. I have 4 characters on my game. I have 4 actors on my game. Now I want this space bot. I don't want it to be where it is currently. I want it to be down in the middle so that it can be shooting up right to the aliens. So I'm going to bring it down to the middle. And how do I do that? You do that using directions. You do that using what? Directions. All right, so we're going to look for move actor. Now we have a move actor here, but this is not the one we want. Look for another one that says move actor. Yes, this particular one. So let me show you the one I picked again. Move. This is the first move actor. No, that's not the one we need. Okay, because we want to move it by up and down. All right, so let's see. We'll look for another one that says move actor. Yes, this one. Move actor 1 to 200 over 200 down. Okay, so that's one and brought here. So now I want to move our actor 4. You know, our actor 4 is the space bot. So I said we want to move our space bot to be down here in the middle. Okay, so move actor 4. Move actor 4 to 180 by 370. 180 by 370. Let's see what that does. Okay, so now we can see our space bot where at the bottom in the middle. So it can be shooting at the aliens that are coming to attack.
Auntie Dami, you're too fast.
I'm too fast. Okay. So now, have everyone put the move actor?
Yes.
You have the move actor.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma. Mama, I've not found it. Where should I look? Where should I go again?
Go to actions. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Keep scrolling. You see towards the bottom. You see move actor 1 to 200 over 200. Have you found it there?
I found it.
All right.
Yes.
All right. So let's bring it in. So we're moving move actor 4 to 180 over 370. 180 over 370. Let me know if there's anyone that is not there yet.
Everybody's stepping on up.
So are we out there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now we've done the positions. Okay. We've done the positions of all our characters. Now we need to set how many lives are we is each user going to have on the game? How many lives should the user have? You know, when you're playing game and you get attacked, you say, okay, one life has gone. Maybe you have 3 lives. Okay. Until the 3 lives now get exhausted before it's now say game over. Right. So one is set number of lives that we should have on the game. So you look for set life. Want to look for what? Set life. So let's I'm going to look for where we look for, go to variables, go to what? Variables, because it's a variable. Life is what? Life is a variable. So go to variables. All right. And you drag out set I to, okay, set I to, so drag it out. Set I to, go to variables, and you see set I to, now it's now set to go. You see set I to, then now click on this I and say rename this variable. Rename this variable. Rename this variable. Then let's type life. L-I-F-E. Life. L-I-F-E. Then click on create. So you
Is it live?
L-I-F-E. L-I-F-E. So it says set life to what? So we're going to choose what is going to be there. Set life to what? So let's go to maths. Maths, because we need to pick a number. Go to maths and drag out this number, this first one, and put it after 2. After 2. So we have set life to 1. But now we want to set life to 3. Set life to 3. Okay, so to get our set life, we went to variables and we dragged out set I to, then we renamed our I, renamed this variable. And then we went to maths and we dragged out a number and we put it beside 2. So it now has set life to 3. Now let's run our game and see what happens. All right, so our life is not yet appearing. Okay, so we have to tell it where to appear or how it should appear on the screen. So that's what we want to do now. We want our number of lives to appear on the screen. Let's go to actions and look for show title screen. Show title screen. And let's just drag it out. Be careful where you put it. Be careful where you put it. It's supposed to be under, yes. So show title screen. Show title screen. So inside this title, let's type L-I-F-E. 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 Live inside the title. Let's type live. And here where you have text, I want you to select this green block that is beside it and delete it. Delete it, just drag it out. Delete it. So delete the green block beside title. So just delete it. Have we deleted it?
Yes, ma.
Derek, have we deleted it? Abella,
Yes, ma.
deleted it. Okay. Now go to variable. Variable. Go to variables. You see this I right here. Drag it out and put it inside where your text, inside your text. Go to variable, drag out this I and put it inside your text. Now let's change. Let me mute it. Okay. So now click on the I and change it to live. Live. Because it's a variable, right? So I want the variable to display. All right, so change it to live. Are we there? Now let's run our game.
Yes.
Now we see live 3. Live 3. Call is 0 and live is 3. Score is 0. And live is what? 3. Score is 0 and live is 3. Now we want to want the aliens to be shooting at me, the robot. So I want the aliens to be shooting at me. So I want to add fireballs. Everybody say fireballs.
Fireballs.
I want to add
Fireballs.
that will be shooting at me. I want to add fireballs. And they will be shooting at me. Let's go to loops. Loops. And drag out repeat forever do. Repeat forever do. So this would help you continue repeating the action, any action you put inside that block. You should keep repeating it. So drag it out and just put it down here. It can't attach to the other one. You just put it down here. Okay. Now, how do I make my actor throw fireballs? Now I will go to action and you will see actor 1 throw basketball up. All right, so that's what we're going to use. So we'll say, okay, we'll put it inside there. So we'll say actor 1. So actor 1 is my zombie. Actor 1 throw. Let's look for blue fireball. Blue fireball. And instead of up, I want it to shoot the blue fireball down. So I would say down. Blue fireball down. Then I would say wait for 1 second. So how did I get wait for 1 second? I went to actions right? I'll see wait for 1 second because I want it to be shooting. It's not just be shooting. So if you wait like intervals, I'm shooting. Okay. Yes. So but now 1 second is too much. So I'm going to use 0.5. 0.5. Let's say actor 1, throw blue fireball down. So throw, keep shooting down, keep shooting down. But as you're shooting, you wait for 0.5 seconds. Every 0.5 seconds, then you shoot another one. Another 0.5 seconds, then you shoot another one. All right, so let's run our game and let me see if your zombie is shooting blue fireball. So we can see my zombie is shooting blue fireball. Is your zombie also blue fireball?
Yes, ma.
Okay. Derek, what about you? Is your zombie shooting?
Yes, ma'am.
The zombie shooting. Victor, the zombie shooting.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me know. Okay. Now our zombie is shooting. Now we want the same thing to happen to our alien and our dragon. So we want our alien to also shoot. I want our dragon to what? To shoot fireballs as well. Now let's do that. So it's just the same thing. Go to actions and say actor 1 throws basketball up. So we bring that in. But now we want actor 2 to throw purple fireball. Purple fireball down. Throw purple fireball down. Then same way we did wait.
Moses. 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 Moses.
All right, who is talking? I need to mute. Okay, everyone's muted. Okay. We say actor 2, throw purple fireball down. Then wait for 0.5 seconds. Wait for 0.5 seconds. Okay, wait for 0.5 seconds. Now let's quickly do the one for actor 3. Actor 3, throw red fireball. Throw red fireball down. Then also wait for 0.5 seconds. Wait for 0.5 seconds. Let's run our game. So you see there's blue fireball, there's purple fireball, there's red fireball. Just coming in from different directions. Just coming in, just coming in, just coming in. So do we all have this?
Yes, ma.
So we see that the loop keeps repeating. It keeps repeating. So it will keep shooting at you. So now what we want to do is to add a way for me, the space bots, to shoot back at the aliens and also to dodge their fireballs. And also to want to dodge their fireballs. So let me take questions. Are there any questions so far? Are there any questions so far? Okay, because I want the timer to end, this meeting to end, so we can join back in again. All right. So are there any questions so far? Questions.
No, ma.
No questions, okay. Am I allowed about you? Any questions?
Ma, how are we going to remove the space?
How will you move the space bar? Yes. So we're going to do that. We're going to do that. So this meeting is about to end. Immediately this meeting ends, click on the Zoom link again to come back in. Okay? Click on the Zoom link again to come back in.